Ay, sobrang init to.
1, 2, 3, fuck it.
Hi mommies! Today I'll be doing a pack with me video using my Peekaboo Satchel in Muave. So I have here, ay naku, sorry. So I have here with me some of the items I usually bring. San ba? Ba't ang init? Eto, take 2. I have here some of the items I usually bring with me or pack with me whenever I go out. So I have an extra bib. I have Muave's mask. Ito. Muave's mask. So I should, may screen kasi ako dito. Sorry. So I bring 2 extra diapers. And then we have an extra bimbo. This is actually a teething cloth. Pero I like using it as an extra pang trapo. Like for the pawis, for the sweat, for Muave's sweat. Extra shirt, syempre, kasi Muave is super pawisin. So he sweats a lot, especially when he's outside of the room or outside, yun, he easily sweats. Masanay sa aircon. Tapos this one, a muslin cloth kasi pang pang cover up whenever we breastfeed outside because I'm still breastfeeding Muave. And our 12Little changing pad. Hindi ko masyado ito nagagamit. Yeah, but I still bring it with me kasi hindi siya masyado ginagamit. Syempre, our makeup kit. Ang daming makeup dinadala. Saan pupunta, girl? Wallet, an after-poo spray. Kasi it's really smelly. Smelly na yung poop ng baby natin, diba? So, ayun, we need to bring this after-poo spray. The sanitizer, syempre. Mom Essential perfume. So I have my perfume with me. And my disinfecting wipes and Muave's baby wipes from Rascal & Friends. Oh yeah, i-share ko lang din pala yung initial thoughts ko with the Peekaboo Satchel in Muave. So the Peekaboo Satchel in Muave, actually in real life, it's a little darker than the one in the photos. Medyo dark siya ng konti. At first, kasi nakita ko yung black. When I looked at it side by side with the Peekaboo Satchel in black, mas nagustuhan ko yung black. That's my personal preference. So, naisip ko ilagay ko siguro yung Muave kasi bibili na ako ng black. But, as time went on, parang nakikita ko siya everyday. Tapos, na-realize ko, ay, cute din pala yung Muave. Kasi I think I liked it better siguro when it's a little lighter. So, eto. But actually, ito, yung material niya, let's talk about the material real quick. Sobrang ganda niya talaga. But the pros and cons, probably the pros of this, it's really pretty. Tapos very sleek siya. Medyo, I feel like yung term na gagamitin ko for this is it's semi-structured. It's structured. Ayan, pero medyo na, ayun, structured siya na bag. But, take note, if you're buying a vegan leather bag, it's a little heavier. So, hindi ko pa nakita yung nylon nito. Because there are 2 versions of the Peekaboo satchel, the nylon version and the vegan leather. So, this vegan leather, as expected, it's a little heavier. Pero, gusto ko talaga siya. I like vegan leather kaysa sa nylon. So, eto, here's the actual bag. So this is how it looks like. It's a little darker. The pink is actually a little darker in real life. So here we have a pocket for the phone. And there's an open flap for your wipes. This actually has, it comes with the plastic wipe pouch, but I don't use it yet. So ayan. It has 2 pockets. So hindi pala siya insulated. So these pockets are not insulated. So for the Peekaboo Satchel, if you want your bottles to be insulated, you need the insulated bottle pouch. So here's the inner. I'll show you what it looks like inside. We have 2 pockets in here. Ayan, meron tayong 2 pockets here. The key holder, ay may plastic pa. another compartment here. We have a zipper compartment over here. Tapos meron tayong dalawang pockets inside. 2 bottle pockets, ayan, here and here.